Today, this is kind of your paperwork day. You've had a chance to look at the evidence initially. You've done an audio analysis of the phone call that we received. You've done a chemistry lab on the powder that was found on the floor. And now you need to kind of go through those investigation notebooks you have on your computer and make a thorough report of your findings. You have a set of pages called the suspect pages and a set of pages called the clue pages. Those are the spots where you really need to do some in-depth work today. You should have clue pages for every bit of evidence you've found. You're probably going to have one for footprint 1 and 2, for the hair, for the fabric, and for the powder. On that page, you're going to tell what the clue was. You're going to put a picture of the evidence and a picture of the match. So what I mean by that is that if I think footprint number 1 belonged to Mr. Yun, I'm going to put a picture of the footprint from the crime scene here and a picture of Mr. Yun's shoe scan here. Or if this were the fiber page and I thought that the fiber was fleece, I'm going to put the word fiber or fabric here. I'm going to put a picture of the evidence from the crime scene here, from that fiber that was found on the cart. And I'm going to put a picture of the fleece here. So remember, the clue itself is fiber. I'm going to put gray cloth, and it was snagged on the cart. And now here's where I need to say how I studied it. And a lot of times it's just that you used good observation skills, but if you use scientific skills, you need to say what they were. So here I'm going to say I looked at it under a pro scope, which magnifies 50 times, and compared. Okay? Oh, sorry, and then for what did we learn, I'm going to say, I think that the fabric or fiber was fleece because they had similar weave. You can put whatever you want. And then down here you need to go back to your suspects and see who that points to. And so if it was fleece, then that points to Aaron Lotus. Okay, so you're going to have a page like this. You should have about 6 pages like this. 2 for footprints, 1 for fabric, 1 for hair, 1 for powder, and 1 for phone number. Those are the 6 clue pages that I really need to see. You might find other clues as well. And then the suspect pages, obviously there's 5 suspects, so you need 5 pages. Their names should be on them already. If they aren't, or if you're missing one, you can go up to your menu bar and duplicate any of these pages as needed. Okay? And you're going to fill in these pages. Now this is the page, these witness pages, this is where you really need to have gotten to that website earlier this week. And if you haven't broken the code to go to the website yet, you're going to need that information to fill in your suspect pages. Okay, so you have 5 suspects, 6 clues. Those are the pages that I need to see filled in and done after spring break. You also have a crime scene sheet that you should be able to get done if you work hard today. These sheets need to look professional. This is the evidence of your work. This is how you're building a case. And then right after spring break, I'll give you a sheet called Make an Accusation, and you're going to need to declare who you think smashed the laptop. Hope you guys are having a good couple of days with Miss Bridges, and I'll see you after spring break.